again and again. As a result, the S-Class has defined automotive standards for many decades. To explain what once again makes the new S-Class one of a kind, we want to show you what really matters to us and to our customers.
Now, this S-Class is ready to hit the road, and we're ready to get into all the details.
This area near Stuttgart is not simply where the S-Class is produced. It was also created and designed here at the home of Mercedes-Benz.
It all starts with the appearance of the exterior. The side view, with its unique Mercedes sedan proportion, is designed as its best. It has a cab backward layout, a long wheelbase, a long hood, and a strong C-pillar. The surfacing of the body is beautifully modeled and shows a generous volume. A grille with prestige on the prominent star on the hood makes the car's presence known. The grille is also a composition of high-tech. Diverse sensors as well as radar and laser are well visibly positioned within it. Day and night, this 3-dot light signature makes the S-Class instantly recognizable. The rear of the car leans forward and gives a dynamic push to the entire body. The rear is highlighted by sharp and triangular taillight graphics with high-tech inside. For the first time in 3 generations, we designed horizontal taillights, a truly extraordinary approach for an S-Class. This applies also to the interior. Entering the car, we invite our customers into a new world of beauty with extraordinary architecture and iconic details. The slim and elegant touchscreen, which
perfect position. And there's the 4D sound built into the seat as well. No one else out there has that. But that's not the point. It's about how all of these signature details add up to a feeling of being in a safe space. That priceless feeling of being taken good care of. Ready? All right, finally, time to roll. Driving an S-Class is about style, comfort, and confidence. About calm serenity and perfect control. Same goes for the interior lighting. It creates a superior, comfortable atmosphere. And it does more. It also doubles as a safety feature. The S-Class always pays attention. For instance, at times when it gets a little confusing in traffic, digital light in the new S-Class can efficiently help you guide your way and see more clearly. Of course, it has all the power and performance it takes to always have your back. You know that. You don't have to show it. Same goes for your choice of engine. If you want, you can also have a plug-in hybrid with an electric range of up to 100 kilometers. Or how about an all-electric sedan in the S-Class segment with an electric range of 700 kilometers? That's why we created an all-electric sibling of this masterpiece, the upcoming EQS. But that's a different story, and this story is going to be told very soon. At the same time, the S-Class has always aimed for more than sheer pleasure for the driver. Here's a cool feature I would like to show you. What if we had some real VIPs in the back? I can take this content and just swipe it to the back. I'm sure kids will love that feature, and parents will too. Let me show you this. MBUX has services now for every individual passenger. It just keeps getting smarter. Hey Mercedes, turn on the hot, relaxing massage program and play me some jazz. You can see individual MBUX services for every passenger really add to what I said earlier. In an S-Class, every seat is S-Class. By the way, can you hear that? You're right. It's incredibly quiet in this car, and we're driving at Autobahn speeds. I can't wait for our customers to realize just how much of a coming home feeling this new S-Class is.